everybody. Today we're unboxing Belle Tress Andie from the Luxe SC collection in Butterbeer-R. If you hear a little whining in the background, that's one of my co-pilots, my female boxer, Asha. They're hanging out with me today. Stay tuned. First, I'll tell you on my head, I am wearing Nottingham by Belle Tress. This is from their City collection. This is in Crushed Almond Blonde. So here she is, Andie and Butterbeer-R. It's kind of cute because my nickname is Andie, so hopefully she'll be a good fit for me. I'm pretty excited. She's really cute, and I love this color, Butterbeer-R. It's kind of a neutral to leaning cool blonde. I'll show you a little comparison between Crushed Almond Blonde on my head and Butterbeer-R. You can see Butterbeer has a little bit more dimension, maybe some more dark undertones, but it's pretty similar. It's a good sister color. Again, Andie is from the Luxe SE collection. I'll go ahead and show you the cap here. Flip her over. My little one's whining again, if you can hear her. So this has the full mono top, so you can part anywhere you want to. It has the small silicone ear tabs, extended velvet nape, Velcro adjusters, and again, this is full mono top, and this is partially hand tied. The Luxe SE is about probably 2/3 to 3/4 hand tied. You can see some closed wefting here at the bottom that helps to stabilize the cap, also brings the price point down. So we'll go ahead and put her on so I can show you again what she looks like out of the box. I like to do that so you can see that typically you do have to do a little bit of work to them to make them look a little bit more natural, but we'll go ahead and get her on and show you what she looks like. So here's Andie from Belle Tress right out of the box. A little bit of box hair going on, but I will show you. Again, Belle Tress has really nice lace fronts, probably the best that I've seen on the market. Really soft fibers. I don't think I'll have to do too much to it. We'll go ahead and break up the part and probably shake it out a little bit. I'll let you know what I have to do when I come back. Oh my God, she is so cute. I love this style. Normally I wear longer styles, but this one is really cute. Little bit sassy. I think she'll be a good one to wear for spring and summer. I did break up the zigzag part and I moved the part just slightly left a little bit, put some heat on it to hold the part and ran a wide tooth comb through the fibers, but she's really cute. And I did get me a spinny chair, so let me spin around and show you what she looks like from all angles. That was so much easier. But again, this is Andie by Belle Tress and Butterbeer-R, part of the Luxe SC collection. If you have any questions or if there's anything that you want to see, visit us at Camille'sCrownCloset.com, and thanks for watching.